Well, even with our scattered thunderstorms and warm weather, this is why we live in the Suncoast. Look at this Coquina Beach sunset yesterday, sent in by Rob Hamilton. Thanks very much for that shot. And Cindy Desmond sent this beautiful sunset picture from the pier at Sharky's. Nice. And we'll probably have similar weather as we move right on into the weekend. Temperatures remained warm overnight in the absence of those sea breezes and the outflow boundaries from the interior storms. 80 at Tampa right now, 77 at Fort Myers and Naples, 76 in Tallahassee. And our viewing area, a little warm right along the coast because of the waters keeping things warm, low 80s there, 79 at Northport, Arcadia 78. In the local viewing area, Anna Maria Island 83, Longboat 84, Siesta 82. And in the upper 70s in the interior parts. The same holds true further south, 80 at Rotunda right now. Minnesota, 81 degrees with that beautiful sunrise just about to happen. Now there's some thunderstorms off the Atlantic coast, and some tried to move over southern parts of the state, but they kind of died down. A few showers offshore moving away from us. We're going to be dry for a few hours, but things will change as the day goes on. That little green patch is a flood warning in effect for Myakka River, the Myakka River State Park. Here's a water vapor image showing you just little bubbles of moisture in the upper atmosphere, globs of it, and we will see an increase in moisture this afternoon and more widespread thunderstorms developing than we saw yesterday. Still dry in the northern part of the Atlantic, but there is the moisture from a disturbance that's come into the Caribbean and has the best chance in almost 2 years of becoming a tropical storm in the Caribbean. Off Africa, another wave has passed out there, but it's not going to make it. This one did. It moved into the Caribbean over the weekend, skirted Hispaniola, Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, and is now bringing gales and rain to the island of Jamaica. Invest 97L could be Tropical Storm Earl. If it does, it'll be the first tropical storm in the Caribbean since the end of the hurricane season 2 years ago. Developing 80% chance, and the computer models have day after day predicted it moving toward the Yucatan Peninsula. This is us. This is the storm. Really nothing to worry about, but it does look a little more impressive on satellite, but it still has no central circulation to become a named storm. High pressure controls the weather in the south. It's still cool with some locally heavy rain in the northeastern states, but that high pressure station from the Gulf into the Atlantic, the subtle changes in it provide our subtle changes in day-to-day rainfall patterns. And we see this afternoon a chance of them developing by late in the day and through the evening hours. Some of the outflow boundaries cooling things off for us. Hopefully, at one point this week that's going to happen in really big fashion, but you can see for the next couple of days just scattered. If you're going out on the water, temperatures are going to be quite nice with the easterly winds in the morning becoming northeasterly in the afternoon at 10 knots, seas 2 feet with a light chop, and 91 the beach temperature this afternoon. Great place to go to escape the heat. Get in the water though, it's 89 and North Lido. Here's a 7-day outlook showing we will have a 50 to 60% chance of rain each day right on into next weekend with temperatures just above seasonal normal. It's your weather.